Welcome to Weekly Zap News, the show where we talk about the latest in tech, AI, and software. I'm your host, Alex Zapp. Oracle just launched a defense ecosystem for AI startups. Think WeWork, but everyone's building software for spy drones. They're offering free office space, Palantir integrations, and NetSuite tools to make it easier for little AI companies to sell big tech to the Pentagon. It's a matchmaking service for government contracts and algorithms that occasionally hallucinate threats.
Please tell me I'm not hallucinating right now.
Working from home used to mean muting kids during meetings. Now it means debugging missile code while reheating spaghetti. Google India just launched an AI-powered safety charter to protect citizens from digital scams, especially the rising wave of deepfakes and UPI fraud.
He's a fraud!
If successful, it could save the country Rs $20,000 crore, which is basically enough to build 3 smart cities and still afford Virat Kohli's bat collection. The AI scans for fraud patterns in real time, acting like a financial Gandalf yelling, "You shall not pass," the OTP.
You shall not pass!
This AI spots scams faster than your mom spots typos in your wedding invite. Android 16 just dropped with mind-reading multitask mode and hearing aid support, because even grandma deserves buttery UX. Samsung leaks teased AI-powered Z Fold 7 drama, while Gmail, ChatGPT, and Spotify all went poof in a global outage. So yeah, welcome to the future. Smarter phones, dumber downtime.
Yeah!
Android 16 lets you do it all except send an email when Google's taking a nap. Meta is building AI-powered smart glasses with Oakley and Prada because apparently your eyewear needs both processing power and an attitude problem.
Straight, single, and works for Prada.
The Oakley pair is built for athletes, sweat-resistant, and ready to flex. The Prada version, all vibes, all snobbery, perfect for judging strangers and parsing text prompts. They're even adding wristband controls to the new Ray-Bans, turning your accessory into a fashion-forward robot sidekick.
It's called fashion, Lou.
These glasses come with AI, but let's be real, the Prada ones have always silently judged you. A new social media startup called Own.App just dropped, promising to flip the script for creators.
Bravo! Bravo!
Built by a former exec from Bumble and Tinder, it lets influencers actually own their content, audience, and earnings. No more begging the algorithm gods for engagement. The app includes instant virality tools, creator marketplaces, and on-demand collabs, all powered by tokenized ownership.
That's what I'm talking about.
They say creators can now own their followers, which is cute until your top fan is your mom. Amazon Zoox just opened its first full-scale Robotaxi factory in California, set to roll out fleets of sleek, wheel-free pods.
I like that idea very much.
These aren't Teslas with a makeover. Zoox builds from scratch. No steering wheel, no pedals, no oops, I meant left. They're launching rides in Vegas next, then rolling into San Francisco, likely confusing tourists and thrilling tech bros.
Whoa, that's so cool, bro!
Zoox didn't just reinvent the car, they built an introvert's dream ride. No small talk, no driver, no eye contact. OpenAI discovered their models naturally form personalities, like nerdy TA or chill friend mode, depending on how you prompt them. It's not just tone. These AIs stick to roles like they're auditioning for a sitcom.
You said you were flying to LA to audition for a sitcom?
Suddenly, talking to ChatGPT feels less like coding and more like group therapy.
You choose to have your little group therapy sessions in broad daylight.
Great, my AI can switch personalities faster than my sister at a family reunion. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Be happy and let's zap.